everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anatolia and I am STRESSDRESSED. Today I will be listing an item with you. I have a couple other videos about how to store your item and how to use Poshmark to list your item, but I never really have any videos about behind the scenes of how to list that item. So today I'll be showing you one of my items that I need to get listed, which is this jacket. I know you're wondering why I'm wearing hot pink right now, but for this reason, I am listing this jacket. It's a Lululemon jacket. I will show you how you can know that without the tag, because this jacket doesn't have a tag. It's from an older style and you can't really tell off the bat. I got this at a very discounted price of $1. So it was really awesome to get it, and I know it's not gonna sell for a lot, or maybe not even fast enough, but I know it's gonna sell at some point because everyone loves Lululemon. So let's get right into it. This jacket is obviously pink and it is Lululemon and it's a zip-up jacket. So first thing I do before I even buy the item, I have to look up on my phone. This is not my phone, this is an Android, so I will attempt to use it. But I have to look up on my phone the prices and when it was sold of the same item. So I will go Lululemon. Oh God, first mess up. Okay, so now I'm on the Lululemon brand on Poshmark because that's the website I will be using to sell this item. So I went on it and I'm gonna look up zip up jacket. Okay, so this is one of the older styles, but I did find it. I found the same exact jacket in blue for $50, and it's the same exact almost everything. It has the ribbed cuffs, it has the ribbed bottoms, and it has the logo on the back and on the zipper itself, and that is how you know it's Lululemon in the first place. And then this other, I was gonna say couple, and then this other person is selling it for $63 and another person selling it for $47, and they're all about the same sizes that I will be selling it at. So this is all my available items, so whatever's available right now, I am looking at it. But now I'm gonna go to sold items and see how much it sold for before me. So this is one of the items, same exact jacket, and it sold for $35. You can tell this person is taking a picture on the floor with it, which is fine. It still sold, which is great for them. And it's of course an older style, so it sold for $35, which is great compared to $1. So that is around the price I should be expecting to sell it at. Okay, so this other person sold it for $40, but it's in black. So I will be listing it for around that price. I will be listing it for around 40 or 45, so I can sell it for 35 or maybe even hopefully 38, which will pocket me about 20 something dollars after 20% and shipping and discount or whatever I want to do, which will help me gain a few bucks for this beautiful jacket. I said I would show you first how I know this was Lululemon. I knew this in the store once I grabbed it because I have a very similar one at home that is my personal jacket. So first, I saw this sign. Usually fake Lululemon does not even care to make it this perfectly. As I said before, I have a whole other video about how to authenticate your items, whether it be online or in person or at the store. And then you have this right here, and then you can tell by the fabric, you can tell it's wool on the inside and this beautiful fabric on the outside. So yeah, once you zip it up, you can see the logo. This is something Lululemon always does. It likes to do this. It's very cool. I think it's cool. You guys see how the logo is connected even when you zip it up, which is pretty cool. Nobody really notices, but this is how you can also tell at the store if this is Lululemon or not. You can also see on the zipper, the sign, they have it pretty, can you see it? Right here. It's okay, I can see it, so you have to take my word for it. You can see the Lululemon logo on the zipper itself, so not a lot of fake companies even care for it. So as you guys can see, this jacket is older, it's worn, you can tell it's worn, and even the zipper has a little bit of wear, so the paint is a little chipped, and you know, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Okay, now about the tag and the sizing, you can see here where the tag was, and you can see that it was the Lululemon tag because it's literally this big, and you can see the size by the measurement. So you can go online on Poshmark to any of the sizes 0 or 2, because I am a 0 and 2 in Lululemon and I wear it and it's my size, so I will most likely be selling it for that. But I can also put my measurement, and this is how I measure. Where's the measuring tape? So this is actually my mother's measuring tape. PNC Bank, and this is what I will be using to measure pit to pit length, neck size, bottom size, and then shoulder to wrist, which is arm size. So you can also measure waist, but this is a jacket, so most likely the waist doesn't matter. but I list all of those items, but I list all of those measurements with my actual listing, and that will be pretty much it. Next, I have to note in my listing the wear. So for example, the zipper on here, I have to make sure it's listed that there is a little bit of wear. You have to make sure it's listed that you can kind of see some pulling on the logo up here, but usually buyers don't really care as long as it's listed fairly priced. As long as the price is fair, the integrity of the actual jacket is not compromised. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I also talked in one of my previous videos about seasons and whatever. It doesn't matter what season you're in. Jackets sell, bathing suits sell in the winter. So it doesn't matter. Just list your items, get them on the floor. It's like dancing. Get your items dancing on the floor. Get all your items on Poshmark. Make sure they're all listed so that you can make more money in a shorter time. Oh, I also have to list all the features this jacket has. So the color is pink, like hot pink, and it's glittery. So you can see right here, like there's a little bit of shimmer. I have to make note of that because people might return it back to me if it doesn't. And then there's a little thumb hole right here. I'm also gonna list that. I'm also gonna list that it's ribbed on the cuffs and on the bottom, as well as the body. So like right here. I will also take pictures of all these places to make sure people know. I will make note that it's wool on the inside and it's just regular fabric on the outside. And I will also make sure to note that it's thick fabric. It's not one of their simple like nylon ones. So you have to make sure you mention all of those, because first of all, you gotta help your buyers out, because if they don't have enough information out there for them, they might not buy it, they might not be interested to even ask for it. So you might as well put all the information out before they get angry at you. Ooh, I'm also gonna note that this is authentic based on the items that I mentioned earlier, so that they don't think that it's fake and I'm selling it at such a high price even though it's fake. So I have to make sure they know that I'm authenticating it myself before selling it. I can also note that I have the same exact one and it's perfect. People like to know a little personal things about you, like how long you wore the item, how long you've had it for, why you're selling it. I don't know. Now, for the next part, cleaning up. If there's any pulls or if there's anything wrong with the jacket, I have a little shaver from Target. It was $6, I don't remember. But you can shave off whatever is like sticking out or anything. This is Lululemon, and Lululemon, in my opinion, material is amazing. So you don't really have to shave off anything for this jacket, but if there's another item with wear and tear, you can always shave that part off, or you can always stitch something up. I will not be doing that specifically for this jacket, but if I do, I can always show you guys. Now, I can take you guys to show you what the pictures are gonna look like, how I take the pictures, and all of that jazz. These beautiful selling pictures, not the ones on the floor. So come with me. I promise you will not regret it. Alrighty people, so camera app, I use the regular camera, I put it in square mode, I set the timer to 3 seconds, make sure there's a good source of lighting, a clean background, and that's it. I just take pictures. I make sure not to show my face because nobody really wants to see that. They just want to see the item. You show whatever you really want. You show the logo, the fabric, the color, the cuffs, any rips or stains or tears, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Just make sure it's in square so that you don't have to go back and edit them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this clip of me. Okay, we're back. So I took a bunch of pictures for Poshmark and I made sure that the zipper is in it, or the cuffs are in it, or the back is in it, so I can kind of refer back to the photos if anyone asks questions or if anyone has different concerns about the item. So to avoid further picking out the item from inventory, making sure we put it back, answer all the questions, I'm just gonna do it all right now. And as I said, we have to make sure all the items are measured and noted in the description if you'd like. Obviously, some people like to do it when people ask because then there'd be issues if they buy it and it's not the right size, whatever. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna post it so that people are aware. And then, yeah, everything besides this is in another video if you would like all the technological parts of Poshmark, where I pick the photos, I put them in, I save it as a draft if I need to do it later, or I edit it, put all the information in, pick the color, pick the size, pick the price, and then list it, put it in my inventory. All of that has videos, so please check out my channel if you'd like more information, or if you have any questions about this, you can always let me know. There's comments below, there's my Instagram, I have a TikTok, I think, and you can always come up to me if you see me on the street and ask me whatever questions you'd like. I love you guys so much. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment if you would like. It's a free country. And yeah, I will see you guys next Tuesday.